So I'm in Ibiza right now, and I want to show you guys some wild rosemary, which grows natively in this region. Now, this is a really beautiful plant. It smells and looks exactly the same as the ones that we grow in California. Tastes the same, a little drier, but not surprised because you can look at the plant. It looks pretty darn dry, but this is true with most plants. If you let them go wild, this is not to be unexpected, especially in the end of the summer or early fall, when it is summer dormant, more or less. When you give it supplemental water, or if it just had access to more water, it would not look so tired. But that's why the ones in our gardens usually don't look so drab, but it's pretty cool. Oh, here's another one. These guys are probably not in the best condition. I'm sure there's more beautiful ones. Wow, my hair. Oh, they're out here, but all the ones I've seen on this side of the hill have all been very, very drought-stricken.
Rosmarinus officinalis is the botanical name for rosemary. It's Latin for Rosmarinus, which means dew of the sea, which is no surprise since we're finding it right along the coast here in Spain, or specifically Ibiza. It's native to the Mediterranean areas, including North Africa, Southern Europe, and Asia Minor. It was brought to the United States in the 17th century by early European settlers, and it's also been spread all around the globe around the same time. Most of us have enjoyed it in culinary applications, or maybe in cosmetics and creams and lotions and soaps. One of the best things about this plant is it does great in terrible conditions such as rocky cliffs, dry scrublands, and areas near the sea where other plants might struggle in these conditions. This plant typically is seen about 2 to 6 feet tall and wide. In a garden application with regular watering, you'll expect it to be evergreen and about 5 or 6 feet tall and wide. It does best in well-drained sandy soil, and it absolutely loves full sun. The flowers are typically blue, but they can sometimes be purple, pink, and white. There are many different types of rosemaries and so many different cultivars that are available now. The most widely recognized are the prostrates, which grow close to the ground, and then the upright version as well. There are so many different cultivars on the market, and a lot that are tailored specifically for cooking, like the barbecue rosemary from Monrovia. You'll find rosemaries like this have really juicy and oily leaves, making their essence even more stated in the dishes that you might put it in. If you're in USDA zones 8 through 10, you'll be sure to be able to grow this successfully and easily. Some varieties go down to 6B, but you'll really have to check your zone. But if you're not in these zones, you can always opt to grow the cuter countertop varieties that are available on the market in your kitchen. Just make sure you put it in a window with full sun. Hopefully this was a helpful introduction to rosemary. It's a wonderful plant to grow in your garden. Happy planting, and if you're not already, make sure you're following, drop me a comment or question below, and thanks for watching.